Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Road Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video of the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia AT4. This beautiful AT4 Acadia is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 engine and made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission. Once in the interior of the GMC Acadia, we have the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Power trunk right down there. We have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control. Audio controls on the opposite side there. 3 kilometers on the vehicle, brand new Acadia. Push-button ignition. We have an 8-inch touchscreen. Your navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is all in there. We have our dual-zone climate control with our gear selector there now, USB charging ports, in our center console here, auto stop start, traction control, and parking sensors. Heated seat controls, lane keep assist, and your all-wheel drive dial here. You can have 2-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, sport mode, all-terrain mode, and even a trailer mode for the AT4. We have the all-black leather interior with the gold trim, and AT4 up in the headrests. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Acadia AT4, we have the 17-inch wheel and tire package. We got the Continental Terra Contact all-terrain tires on there with the black rims. Looks super cool on a SUV. We have the color matched door handles with keyless entry, rear tinted privacy windows, and the blacked out window trim. Remote start and blind spot detection are equipped on the AT4 Acadia. Coming to the front, that big GMC grille, parking sensors on the front, fog lights, and LED headlamps. Beautiful looking vehicle. Coming to the rear, again, our LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, as well as the power tailgate and rear view mirror camera. Taking a quick look at our second row in the interior here, captain's chairs. Both are car seat ready, as well as that beautiful leather material. We got our rear climate control, USB ports, and an outlet over top. We have the quick fold down seats that give us access to our third row. We have a 50-50 split back there. This is a 6-passenger vehicle. Lots of space back there. They also fold nice and flat, giving you a very large trunk space if you need it. Over top, LED lighting throughout, AC vents, and dual pane sunroofs. One in the rear, larger one in the rear, and a nice one in the front. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia AT4. If this is your next 6-passenger, all-wheel drive, very well equipped and capable SUV, come and see us here at GSL Gym City. Shop online at gslgymcity.com.